a go on, them hearts sharper than clear. None of them have the guts to rise it and spray. None of them have the guts to bust the
I got dollars on my blogger. Serve it to my vlogger. Yeah, that's my vlogger. To my vlogger. Pray the Lord on my shoulder. She be popper. Yeah, that's my vlogger.
All praise to the Most High on both sides. I pray to God, I pray for hard, I won't lie. Multi, cause I'm dope tied. Convo and a boat ride. Renting cars for the whole month. Drop Porsche money, no cosign. Yeah, my records ain't got to sell, nigga. Woo! Go diamond off of my cell, nigga. Give a fuck what you sells. That chance come, I take mine. I ball hard, you bench ride. So fuck you and your baseline. No sound scan for a bricklayer. Square nigga, you a brick hater. We see a bitch, you fall in love. I fall back cause my bitch data. Where I'm from, we go crazy with them choppers. Selling dope, going diamond on my blocker.
I got dollars on my blogger. Serve it to my vlogger. Yeah, that's my vlogger. To my vlogger.
You so crazy,
Pray the Lord on my shoulder. She be popper. Yeah, that's my vlogger.
Welcome to my blocker. Take a look at my world. Diamond on my blocker. All we got is white girl. All we got is choppers. All you hear is choppers. All we see is choppers. That spotlight on my blocker. Dope boy to the rescue. Bad bitches get the best view. Lot of money just floating around. All them hoes feeling special. Woo! I know the rent due. Fuck me right and it's sent through. Third time you done used the line. Goddamn, she a pimp too. Teamwork make the dream work. All my niggas done seen work. All my niggas ain't make it through. So much depth in my